Hello everyone, in this video how to combine two columns in Google Sheets. Let's begin. I apply method on ampersand, click C2, then I already copied to this formula. A2 and B2 and see this double comma with space. Press enter. Suggest autofill and apply method to name concatenate. Already copied to this formula. Press again Ctrl V. See this with space. Press enter. Autofill and again apply method number 3 text joint. Already copied to this formula. Press Ctrl V. See this text joint with space. Press enter and do not working autofill. Simply use drag method. Click the handle and drag on your mouse. That's it.